Hey guys, welcome back. This is Alexis Sofield Leather, and what you see on this table is a Legacy Standard Bible, inside column reference, handy size. This is a newer model that came out. This is mine. I will be offering this on the website soon. Maybe not in this color, maybe not. This is has a lot of olive in there. This is my color scheme, olive. But the point of this video is to let you know the direction I'm going to go this year, 2026. Let me show you. I don't know if you could read that. That says LSB inside column reference handy size template by Sofield Leather. That's right. I am going to be working on this year offering templates, instructional videos on how to rebind the Bible for yourself. That includes the tools necessary, the hardware, not the hardware, but the tools, the material, where to get it, links to all that stuff, everything absolutely needed, including the methodology. So if this is something you're interested in, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know if this is something that you want me to do or provide for you guys this coming year. So this is my first run today on just tinkering with different formats as far as the cardstock versus acrylic, as well as the media format. Is it going to be on YouTube? Am I going to use school.com? Am I going to use Patreon? So I need to be in prayer about that. And Lord willing, this is something that will be beneficial to both you, the audience, as well as for myself to provide for my family as well. But that's all. Just be in prayer for me for that. Also, if you don't mind, my YouTube channel has hit 10,000 subscribers as of late. And I really want to bump that up. So if you don't mind sharing, liking, and subscribing to the YouTube video, that would be absolutely great. To the channel as well. Subscribe to the channel. I'm really going to start implementing more videos. I have 15 or 20 rebinds I have to do this next couple of weeks. So I'll be really busy doing that. I have one there. Those are custom. That's that Bible right there. The Hebrew Greek Keyword Study Bible. This is an LSB in the vise now. And I have another, 10 LSBs, which are right over there. I don't know if you can see them. They're right there. A bunch of those. I have some more coming in stock. I have some more leather coming in. But I love to share this knowledge with you guys. There's my son. Come on in. I'm making a video. Say hello to everyone. Look how big he is. This is Jeremiah. He's been helping me a lot. You got something to say? Nice. Well done, son. But anyway, let me know in the comments below if it's something that you guys will be interested in, and just be in prayer for me for that. That's all I got for you guys. Thanks a lot for the recent uptick in views on that last video, and I want to really capitalize on that if I'm being honest and straightforward with you guys. All right, have a good day. God bless you. Bye.